Alright guys, so finally to the fun stuff. So this is the principal, which is this part, the first column. And like I said, it could be a AWS account, it could be a user, it could be IAM role, assumed role. This gets a little bit complicated, but we'll just stick to a user. And then when it comes to actions, basically what can you do with a particular resource? So either h3.star, and that'll uh, take everything. But now here you cannot specify the access level. Here you have to specify that individual permission, and this is what I was trying to tell you guys. Like that's why it's important, and you can also use no action. Resource, once again, it could be a single bucket, our account ID without hyphens. Well, never mind. These are my, I guess I was half asleep when I wrote these notes. But these are associate level notes. You don't really need them except for the certification exams. All right, and then these are the resource tags, terminated, AWS username. So let's create a bucket and then grant access to one of the users. And there are also policy variables and tags, but like I said, it just gets into two complications. Like there are just a lot to get into the meetup thing, but this is a brief introduction course, so we'll keep it brief. Okie dokie. So now we're going to go back to IAM. Policies, create policy, and then we're going to choose a service, the S3, and then if we're going from here, then we can just say list, and then we can specify add ARN. Okay, and this can get a little wonky sometimes. Okay, so all right, and we can also specify the conditions. This policy. Okay, now the point of showing you guys this in your exams and in practical life, you won't get to see that click, click, click we just did. You would, and especially AWS exams, you are definitely going to see this. And I have so many windows open. So yeah, this is what you would have on your screen, and you're going to have to find out what exactly it allows. So like I said, access level you're not able to see, but you will be looking at these individual actions. Okay, so by the way, these are generic policies, and then there are resource policies, and the only difference is the resource policy you would actually attach to a resource. And let me show you guys what that means. Now let's go back to our bucket. And then once again here you have the bucket policy, so you could put it there or you could put it here, and then here you could just specify that user ARN, and that becomes a resource policy instead of an IAM policy. But yeah, so this is kind of a brief overview, or like a in-depth brief overview of the identity and access management. It's a very critical service, that's why I went into this much depth. And the next thing we will look at is RDS. But in this particular course, I might not cover more, but that's what I say, and you'll find out in most of my courses, and I cover it anyway. Alright, guys, thank you and good luck.